In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use custom fields in QuickBooks Online. Custom fields let you capture exactly the details your business cares about. Things like project codes, delivery dates, or internal references, right on your forms. They help standardize data entry, make searches more effective, and can improve the quality of your reporting. Let's walk through how to set them up and use them with confidence. Start by going to the gear icon in the top right corner to open your settings. In the Settings menu, select Custom Fields. If you don't see this option, you may need the right user permissions or a subscription level that supports custom fields. Click Add Custom Field. You'll be prompted to define the field. Begin by entering a clear, descriptive name. Choose something your entire team will recognize at a glance. Short names work best, and a consistent naming style, like a common prefix for related fields, can make filtering and reporting easier later on. Next, select a data type. Pick the type that best matches the information you want to capture. For example, use a date for due-by dates, a number for quantities or codes, or text for short notes. Choosing the most specific type you can helps keep your data accurate and consistent because it guides what users can enter. Then choose the category and select the forms where this field will appear. The category determines where the field is stored, such as customer-related or transaction-related, and selecting the forms ensures it shows up exactly where you'll use it. Keep it targeted. Add the field only to the forms that actually need it, like invoices, estimates, or purchase-related forms, so your team sees a clean, uncluttered layout. After making your changes, click Save. That's it for setup. Now, when you create a form of one of the types you selected, the new custom field will be available to add and fill in. As you're entering the transaction, look for the field by the name you gave it and complete it just like any other part of the form. If you chose a structured type, such as a number or date, QuickBooks will help keep entries consistent. Save the form as usual, and that information becomes part of the record. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Keep field names simple and standardized, choose the narrowest data type that fits your need, and limit where fields appear to reduce noise for your team. You can always return to custom fields to edit or disable a field if your workflow changes, and that's how to use custom fields in QuickBooks Online. With thoughtful setup, you'll capture better data and make everyday work and reporting faster and more reliable.